France's long-standing maritime tradition, rooted in centuries of naval innovation and global engagement, has entered a decisive new phase as the government confirmed the order of a fifth FDI frigate, to be named Amiral Cabanier. This latest addition marks a significant milestone in the broader modernization strategy of the French Navy, which is steadily advancing toward its ambitious objective of maintaining a fleet of 15 first-rank warships by 2032. The announcement, while expected by defense analysts, underscores France's commitment to preserving its strategic autonomy, reinforcing European maritime security, and ensuring readiness in an increasingly volatile global environment. As geopolitical tensions intensify across multiple theaters, from the Indo-Pacific to the Mediterranean and the North Atlantic, the expansion of France's surface fleet reflects not only national priorities but also its role as a leading naval power within NATO and the European Union. The FDI, Frégate de Défense intervention program, at the heart of this transformation, represents a new generation of technologically advanced warships designed to meet the challenges of modern naval warfare. These frigates are built with versatility in mind, capable of conducting a wide range of missions including anti-air warfare, anti-submarine operations, surface combat, intelligence gathering, and power projection. The addition of Amiral Cabanier to the growing fleet further enhances France's ability to operate across contested maritime zones while maintaining a credible deterrent posture. Unlike previous classes, the FDI frigates are designed with cutting-edge digital architecture, advanced radar systems, and enhanced stealth capabilities, enabling them to operate effectively in high-threat environments characterized by sophisticated adversaries and rapidly evolving technologies. The decision to procure a fifth FDI frigate is not merely a matter of fleet expansion but a calculated response to shifting strategic realities. Over the past decade, the maritime domain has become increasingly contested, with major powers investing heavily in naval capabilities and expanding their operational reach. France, with its vast exclusive economic zone, the second largest in the world, faces unique responsibilities in safeguarding its maritime interests. From overseas territories in the Pacific and Indian Oceans to strategic choke points in the Mediterranean, the need for a robust and flexible naval presence has never been greater. The FDI program, therefore, is designed to ensure that the French Navy remains capable of addressing both conventional threats and emerging challenges such as cyber warfare, unmanned systems, and hybrid conflict scenarios. Central to this modernization effort is the concept of first-rank warships, a classification that includes the most capable and versatile surface combatants in the French fleet. These vessels are expected to operate at the forefront of naval operations, often in multinational task forces, and to serve as the backbone of France's maritime power projection capabilities. Achieving the target of 15 such warships by 2032 requires not only the introduction of new platforms like the FDI frigates but also the gradual retirement and replacement of older vessels. This transition is being carefully managed to ensure continuity in operational readiness while integrating new technologies and capabilities into the fleet. The industrial dimension of the FDI program is equally significant. The construction of these frigates is being carried out by Naval Group, a key player in the global defense industry and a cornerstone of France's strategic autonomy. The program supports thousands of jobs across the country and reinforces France's position as a leading exporter of advanced naval systems. Indeed, the FDI design has already attracted international interest, with export variants being considered by allied nations seeking to modernize their own fleets. The success of the program thus extends beyond national defense, contributing to economic growth and strengthening defense partnerships worldwide. Technologically, the FDI frigates represent a leap forward in naval design and capability. Equipped with the state-of-the-art Sea-Fire radar system developed by Thales Group, these ships offer unparalleled situational awareness and tracking capabilities. The radar's active electronically scanned array, AESA technology allows for the simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets, including low observable threats such as stealth aircraft and sea-skimming missiles. This capability is further enhanced by advanced combat management systems that integrate data from various sensors, enabling rapid decision-making and coordinated responses to complex threats. In addition to their sensor capabilities, the FDI frigates are armed with a comprehensive suite of weapon systems designed to address a wide range of threats. These include surface-to-air missiles for air defense, anti-ship missiles for surface engagements, and torpedoes for anti-submarine warfare. The ships are also equipped with a helicopter deck and hangar, allowing them to deploy maritime helicopters for extended surveillance, search and rescue operations, and anti-submarine missions. This combination of capabilities ensures that the FDI frigates can operate independently or as part of a larger task force, providing flexibility and resilience in diverse operational scenarios. The naming of the 5th frigate as Amiral Cabanier pays tribute to Admiral Georges Cabanier, a distinguished figure in French naval history who served as Chief of Staff of the French Navy during a critical period of post-war reconstruction and modernization. By honoring his legacy, the French Navy not only acknowledges its rich heritage but also underscores the continuity of its commitment to excellence and innovation. Each new vessel in the FDI program carries with it a sense of tradition and purpose, linking the past with the future as France navigates the complexities of the 21st century maritime environment. Strategically, the expansion of the French Navy's first-rank warship fleet aligns with broader national and international objectives. France has consistently advocated for greater European defense cooperation and autonomy, particularly in the maritime domain. The ability to deploy a capable and modern fleet is essential for supporting European security initiatives, contributing to NATO operations, and protecting shared interests in key regions. The FDI frigates, with their advanced capabilities and interoperability with Allied forces, are well suited to this role, enhancing France's ability to lead and participate in multinational missions. The Indo-Pacific region, in particular, has emerged as a focal point of French strategic interest.